In today's tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to become an affiliate marketer without a website. So I'm going to go through a few steps here. So I'm going to start off with the first one, which is choose a niche. So this is very important because you want to be known in a certain niche area, because you don't want to be so broad that one day you're talking about dog training, the next day you're talking about web design, and the other day you're talking about baking cakes. So you need to find one specific niche, which is like your passion or something that you enjoy doing or something that you enjoy talking about. So this is very, very important to get this right from the get-go. Okay, so moving on. After you've chosen your niche, you need to choose a social media platform. Now, why are we choosing a social media platform? The reason is this is where majority of people hang out. So we have different audiences. We have YouTube, we have Facebook, we have Instagram. In fact, there's way more than that, but these are the main three ones which are visited by a ton of people every single day. So these are the ones that I would say concentrate on, because there's so many eyeballs there, and that's where you want to begin. So you've created your niche, now you've chosen your platform. So in that platform, what you want to do now is to really sort of like build a brand. So you want to be known for something. So you can start joining groups. And if you are someone that wants to, let's say, help people achieve something or teach them something, that is known as creating things or creating videos to help people. And a lot of people like this. So the more you start helping people, the more you're going to start to get followers, because this is the main reason why we want to be established on whatever platform it is that you choose. So once you've done that, now this is where you want to create a ton of content. Okay, you want to be creating videos if you're on YouTube and even on Facebook as well. And if you're on Instagram, mainly it's images. So you want to be creating images and also Instagram stories. Now, I'm not really on Instagram, but of course, I know that there's a lot of people there. It's a growing social media platform. So if your niche area is to do with a lot of, say, pictures and where you want to show people what you're doing, I would say you really need to go that direction, because you can make a lot of followers. And this is the right time to do it, because, of course, I mean, if you wait for long, it's going to be harder and harder for you to get exposure on these social media platforms. For example, like YouTube, when I started like years ago, it was much easier as compared to now. But of course, it doesn't mean that you can't go in and create your brand, create your audience on these platforms. Now, talking about content. The idea now with this content is we are trying to attract as many followers as possible, because attracting as many followers as possible allows us now to put ourselves in front of these people and become a trusted person that speaks about whatever topic it is, whatever niche it is that you've chosen. So this is why building these followers is very, very important. Okay, now, do you have to go full time and go crazy on social media? Of course not. And also, the way you need to look at affiliate marketing is not everyone is going to be a millionaire, okay? Just take it as you trying to earn money on the side. And once you've mastered how to do that, that's where you can start scaling it to make even more money. And having said that, there are also other niches which have more money than others. Okay, so it's just going to differ. But the idea that you need that we're looking at here is affiliate marketing can make you passive income and can make you money on the side. So it beats, let's say, £500 or £1,000 a month. That's extra money that could enhance your lifestyle. It could be more eating out. It could be more holidays. So that's how you're supposed to be looking at it initially. Because if you go in thinking, okay, I'm going to be a millionaire, I'm going to start affiliate marketing, you may easily become discouraged, because it takes time to reach those levels. Okay, so now that we've spoken about creating content and trying to get as many followers as possible, this is where now you want to start adding your affiliate links. Now, I've noticed that on some YouTube channels and also Instagram channels, and this is specifically to these ladies that do makeup tutorials. So when they do these makeup tutorials, they also link to places where you can buy these products. So that's where the affiliate links come in. So as you've noticed, I haven't spoken about a website throughout this whole process, but it can be done and it just needs a lot of hard work. But these are pretty much the steps that you need to take in order for you to make, successful affiliate marketing. And even these platforms for affiliate marketing, there's quite a lot of them. There's Amazon Associates. So let's say your passion is photography. You can start suggesting what cameras you use and where they should buy it. We can also even talk about accessories and so on. So if it's baking, you can talk about the tools that you use for baking. If your passion is in, say, software, like maybe you design websites, you can start talking about the links to your hosting company. So there's every niche pretty much has an affiliate program that you can promote. So all you have to do is to contact these websites or these companies and just explain to them that you want to become an affiliate. Now, here's another thing which is very important before I finish off this video. When you are trying to promote products, sometimes these companies may ask you how you're going to promote their product. And if you don't have a following, you'll find that it's quite difficult even to start promoting some of these products. So by saying you have X amount of followers and they're quite a lot, that in itself just shows that your success on affiliate marketing is achievable. So having that viewership, having those followers is very, very important moving forward. So you do need to create that. So these are the steps that you need to take in order for you to do affiliate marketing without a website. So I want to hear your views. Do you have other ways you have that you can share with us? Leave them in the comments box below and I'll be sure to read them, and also I can learn from those. So thank you very much for watching. If you're new to this channel, this is a channel about web design and marketing. So please do subscribe and also don't forget to hit the bell notification. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.